Hi friends, I am in Carens, Kia Carens. It's a 3 LED setup. It is the normal lighting dim light system. Now I am switching on the headlight. This headlight throw is too low and too poor. That's why I have installed on some auxiliary light and I am just switching it on. You can see how much power it has, and this is the deeper. So I am showing you from outside how it looks. These are the two lights which I have installed, and this is how it looks. And this is in normal scenario. This is in normal scenario. These two lights I have installed. These two lights are very powerful. You can see it. So it's perfectly fitted inside this position. It's perfectly fitted, and by this way you can improve the Carens light.